We'll have to write down the answers as we go along. Today, the two of you, we are going to have a test. You did the test?
Yeah.
When did you do the test? How come you did the test already?
Just kidding.
How is it that you managed to do the test and the papers are here? Wait, what only one?
Because you, no, I will not the,
What's happening? What's that?
nothing.
Arisa, faster. We want to go through the answers already. You must. Okay. So what we have learned on length, okay? We know we can use the what to measure length? Ruler. What else? Only the ruler.
Straight.
You can also use the string, you're right. Sometimes the ribbon, when the line is not straight, right? You can use the string, you can use the ribbon. You can also use the pencil. The units that we use to measure length. What are the units? Sana, do you remember what are the units we use to measure? Centimeter and meter. Centimeter, show me 1 centimeter. How long is 1 centimeter? It's like the width of your fingers, you're right. Okay, if you have your ruler, you see that the width of your fingers is about 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Now, if you have 100 of this, imagine you have 100 fingers, 1, 2, 3, it will stretch out until like that. 100 centimeters. Now, 100 centimeters like this is as long as 1 meter. Do you know your height? What is your height?
1, 2, 5.
125 centimeters. Wow. What about you, Anna? What's your height? I forgot. What was it?
Let's 130.
130 centimeters. No, she's taller. She's 130.
Yes.
And you are 125. Okay, let's see. Maybe you have grown already. Okay, come, two of you stand. Let's see who's taller.
Hello.
Yeah, Hannah is taller slightly. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Now look at the diagrams here on this page. You have 4 buildings. And Arisa see that we have 4 buildings. Building A, B, C, and D. Green. Oh, you want me to use green ink? Why do you like green? It's nicer. It's a nice color. Is it your favorite color? Oh, pink and green. Arisa, what's your favorite? Pink. Ah, okay. I think many girls' favorite color is pink, right? Yeah, my niece, she used to like pink. Now she likes purple. Ah, you don't like purple. It's okay. All right. Okay. Look at building A. Can Arisa see the height for building A? What do you see? Building A is from, so that is how many meters? 74 meter tall. Okay, so can you imagine this building 74 meters tall? That means this is this one. Imagine this is just 1 meter and you have 74 of this vertically up. Okay, that's building A. We'll look at building B. Building B. How tall is building B? Can you see for building B? We have to take 74 meter plus. You have to add them up, right? So we have already add them up. Can you, Arisa, write down now? Building B is 121 meters. Okay, because we added. Now there's no name. So you need to write because the name. Can you write A, B, C, D? If the printing error, I have A, B, C, D. Okay, that's right. A, B, C. Okay, so the height for building A was 74, right now 74 meters. And B is 121.
Then need to do that one fast.
Okay. So next week is the big day.
What?
You are going back to? Yes. Right?
Monday.
Monday is the big day for you. Okay. She's also in the same school?
Westwood.
Oh, okay.
I also got another cousin. Yeah.
Oh. You're excited to see your friends again?
Yeah.
Ah, a little bit.
So,
Have you prepared your books not for next year?
yeah.
Your files, your uniform, everything is ready? Okay, good. Arisa, faster, we're waiting for you. Okay. Do you think we are going to have new eraser? It's the same one? Do you think we are going to have new classmates next year?
Yeah.
You think so? Busmates? So you need to take the bus all the way to Ma'arif, right? How long is the bus trip?
I don't know that. It's 1 hour.
Wow, that's very long. Okay, look at building C. What's the height of building C? Can you see we need to take now 121. Wait a minute. Why do we take 121? Can Anna tell us how come we take 121 plus 27?
Because
How come to find the height of building C, we have to do this 121 plus 27? Where do we get this 121? I don't see 121 here. What do you plus? We know that building B, right, from here to here, this is 121, right? Isn't that what we figured out just now? And then we have to plus another 27 to find the height for building C. Okay, so that's, and building D. Building D, can you see is shorter than building C? We have to take what's the height of building C minus 39 meters, right? That will give us the height of building D. Okay, do you understand how we get the height, Arisa? Okay, now let's look at our homework, part D. You want to copy A, B, C first? Okay, now we know the height of the three buildings. So Arisa, Hannah would have done it. Building A is how many meter shorter than building C? So we are comparing A and C. Hannah, what's the answer? First, what to do to find the height of the answer? We're comparing building A and also building C. Building A and building C. So we know that. Okay, how do we get that 124? What do you minus? 148 from building C, right? 148 minus. Can Anissa do the working now? 148 minus 74. See what you get. You get the same answer as Hannah. So I'm going to do the working. 1, 4.
I don't like answer. I want to. Then I can see you.
Yeah. That's how we record our lesson.
What? You record the lesson.
Yes, all our lessons are recorded. That's why I say watch the lesson recording. Okay, every time you're not here, the two of you, ask your parents to show you the lesson that you missed. Okay, all the lessons today are recorded. So you get to watch the lesson again. 148 minus. What's 148 minus 74? Okay. Ah. So Hannah is being careless. Hannah, you didn't check your work. I want you to check your working again. Because 134 is wrong. Look at your working again. Let's see if I can get a different answer. 74. How is it that you can get 8 minus 4 is 4? What is 4 minus 7? It cannot be that, right?
I do like this.
So look.
Put 14,
So
then
now-
put 0.
So you have 14 minus 7. You should have 14 minus 7. And 14 minus 7 is not 13. Okay, Hannah, you didn't check your work. Come change your answer. Look at my working. So 14 minus 7 is 7. So the answer is 74. Okay, it should be 74.
Oh.
Okay, so Hannah, you should always check your work. Now let's look at the next question. So we know now that building A is 74 meter shorter than building C. Okay, let's look at part E now. Building B is how many meter taller than building D? So now we're comparing B and D. Let's look at B. I can see that B is 121 and D is 109. So let's find the difference. We're going to take 121 minus 109. Check my working. I'm going to do my working now. Everyone look at my working. Okay. I know that 1 cannot minus 9. 1 is too small. Okay. So 11, 2, 1.
1 and 5. This is very long. Two. Chair.
Good.
Chair.
That's all, please. Let's look at part F now. Building A is how many meters shorter than building B? So I'm comparing A and D. A is 74, D is 109. So we're going to take 109 minus 74. There's some background noise. Let me hold on. Okay.
Okay.
So now, Hannah, you check whether you have the same answer as me, okay? 9 minus 4 is 5.
Here is the answer.
You check with the calculator after you got, after you. So how is it that you got the D wrong just now? Okay, so
Is the yeah.
it should be 35. Okay, good. Now, last one. The total height of the shortest and the tallest. Hannah, what's the tallest building? What's the height? What's the height of building C? Very good. The total, right? We're going to add. Hannah, Arisa, what's the height of the shortest building? What's the height? Which one is the shortest?
Building A,
Building A, right? What's the height of building A?
4 meters.
74 meters. Very good. So we're going to add them up, all right? The shortest and the tallest. Come, let's see what we get. Okay, I'm going to have my working here. Okay. I want Hannah to check because this is wrong. Hannah, where's your working with? You add up 74 and 148. Why is 74 plus 148? How come you're getting the wrong answers? And I see here 74 plus 148. How did you do your working? How did you get 1122? We do, this working is wrong. Hannah, don't be careless. Arisa, check your work. Let's see if the two of you can get the same answer. Wait, you just took 8 minus 4. That's wrong. You're supposed to take 8 plus 4. See, Hannah, you're being careless.
Two hundred and 22.
222. Okay, let's see if Hannah gets the same answer.
Wrong, right?
Maybe we shall see.
Oh, I can cover this.
Well, 1 plus 4 is 5, right? And 5 plus 7. Yeah. Put 7 in your head and you add 5. Yes. So that's how much. So you got 12, right? So you're supposed to have 1 here in the hundreds place. You didn't write 1. Okay, so I'm going to add 8 plus 4 is 12. Then 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is another 12. Okay. 1 plus 1 is 2.
Answer like you.
Okay, very good, Arisa. You got it right. So the answer is 222, Hannah. Okay. So that should be the answer. Okay. So after that, right, Arisa, you were not around. We did questions involving word problems. Okay. Involving length. Arisa, do you still remember how to draw model? Remember we did the lesson on model. I think at that time Hannah was not here yet when we did the lesson on model. But Hannah, I did this together with you last week. All right, so how we did the models, I've shown you. Now let's look at 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you see that after the word problem, right? After question 6, can you see it here? It says self quiz. Yes. Can you see the self quiz? Okay, now this one is something that the two of you will do on your own as revision. Okay? And then where do you think you can find the answer? Yes, very good. At the end of the self quiz, you can see there's this one page with the QR code. So you get your parents to scan the QR code, and then when they scan, they can find the answer. Then they can come check your work. Okay? The two of you, do you understand or not? I want the two of you to do the self quiz on your own, okay? At home. Okay, now let's continue with question 3. Yes, so we're going to go through together. Okay, Hannah, let's go back to question 3. Where is question 3? Okay, here we go. Question 3. Okay, who wants to read first?
Thomas me. No, not to sleep.
Okay, I'm going to decide. Let's use the, there's this thing called the Wheel of Names.
Sneeze. Oh yeah, we love names.
So let me put the names of both of you.
Oh.
So Hannah and
Yeah.
okay. Let's see who will read.
No, that's
Next step. Dun, 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 dun.
Lisa. Sa.
Oh, I typed the name wrongly. Wait. The typing. It's RISST. Okay, let's go.
Ah. You. Oh, man.
Okay, so Hannah will read first. Okay, come, Hannah. Maya.
Maya. 100.
Wait, I see numbers. What do I do?
Circle.
I want to circle. So I'm going to circle 100 cm, arrow to the road. Okay, and she's going to cut it into 2 pieces. So 2 pieces. The 2 pieces, when you add up, it should add up to 100 centimeter. Do you understand? So I want to draw model. How many parts will there be? It says here 100 cm into 2 pieces. How many? Gonna be 2 parts, right? Okay, so let's have 1 part. Use your ruler to draw the model. Are we doing comparison? We are doing. Why? Because we have 2 parts, and then the second part will be cut into 3 smaller pieces. Okay. Okay. I'm going to continue to read. The first piece measures 73 cm. So I'm going to put a arrow or an I-beam for the first piece. This is 73 centimeters.
73 is going to be like
It's the first piece, right? Okay. The big one. See, the first piece measures 73 cm. Okay.
Yes, can you just green for both? See green, one green.
What do you mean?
I want green for both.
Green what?
For the existing and the and
Erase.
no, I know.
This one.
Yeah. Then got.
Yeah.
I want the one green and pen.
The pen also green. I think with green, the pen will not be so clear. Never mind. Usually we use blue pen or black pen. Okay. Now look at the question. She cuts. Can you see? This is important. She cuts the second piece equally into three smaller pieces. Look at the model. Look at my second piece. Is it cut into three pieces? Can you see my second piece? Is it cut into three pieces? I have to cut into three pieces. So I'm going to have three equal pieces now. 1, 2, 3. Now, can someone tell me how do I find the length of the second piece? How do I find this? Sorry? Name me.
We saw the name.
The name Maya. Okay, so Maya has a rope. How long is the rope that she has? 100 centimeter. Okay, I want to put that into the model. Where do I put? 100 centimeter is the total length. Where do I indicate the total length? At the top for everything, right? Okay, good. You can either put at the top
A bottom.
or the bottom.
Short.
You're not using a ruler, Anna. Okay. It's okay, it's all right. Just continue. Okay. 100 centimeter is the total length, and the first piece is 73 cm. Who can tell me how to find the length of the second piece? How do I know?
That's the name we. Yes, name.
Oh, you want me to use the wheel of name just to see who will answer. That's okay. That one is for later for reading. I want to know how to find the length of the second piece. This question mark, what is that length? If the total length is 100 and the first piece is 73 cm. Very good. We're going to minus, right, Arisa? So what are we going to minus, Hannah? What do we do to find the length, the second piece? Length of the second piece. So what do we minus? What minus what? Good. Come. Okay, everyone. Write down the equation now. 100 minus 73 cm. And then you do your working. Tell me what's the length of the second piece. Remember to have a working column on the right. Let's see if Anna's going to make a mistake. Yeah, Arisa, check your work. Cannot be done. How you take 0 minus 3? Cannot, right? So then you move on to the tens place. Another 0. So we move on to the hundreds place now. So take away 100. So you're left with 0. So the 100 is going to be renaming it to become 10 tens. Write down 10. But you need to take away 110 now. You just need to take away 110. You're left with what?
Okay, let's start.
No, 10. You just took away 1, right? So you're left with 110. You take away from 10 tens, it becomes. No. Okay. Yeah, Hannah, pay attention. It should be 9. It should be 9. You got 27? Okay. You have to continue, you're not finished. So now 10 ones minus 3 ones. Good.
Five comes and minus the zero and cancel for a 9 and the one go here. Join the zero.
Okay, good. So now you have 9 tens. You take away 7 tens.
2. 87.
Good. Now 0, 100, right? Minus nothing, stay to nothing. Okay. So look how I do this. I know I can't take 0 minus 3. So I go to the tens place. Hey, I see another 0. So I go to the hundreds place now. Okay. So I will take away that 100 away. So you're left with 0, right? And then that 100 will become 10 tens. But wait a minute. It will not stay there as 10 tens. Why? I have to take away that 110 away from 10 tens. Okay? So that 110 that I took away will now become what? 10 ones. So now I have 10 ones minus 3 ones. You get 7 ones. 9 tens minus 7 tens. You get 2 tens. So 0, 100 minus nothing is still a 0. So the answer should be 27. So I know the second piece now is 27. So I can erase my question mark. It's actually 27. And
I can do the same thing like you are making like
okay, so can you see the second piece is 27 cm, but is that the answer? Is that the answer? What's happening to the second piece? She cuts, can everyone see the last statement before the question? She cuts the second piece equally into 3 smaller pieces. So you have 1, 2, 3. So this 27 cm is now cut equally into 3 pieces. Can you tell me how to find the length of one piece? How?
1 centimeter.
It's going to be 1. So if this is 1, okay, Hannah suggests maybe this is 1 cm. This is 1 cm. This is 1 cm. Do they add up to become 27? Remember the second piece, the length is 27 centimeter. All these 3 will add up to become 27 centimeters. So 1 cm is wrong. So what can it be? How do you find the length of one small piece? You have one small piece. What's the length of the one small piece? I want to hear ideas. What to do? You give me the correct idea, we go for a break. You cannot give me the correct idea, then we will start here.
7.
10, 10, 10.
And then 7.
But it says here, the piece is cut equally. So 10, 10, 7 is not equal, isn't it? 10, 10, 7 is not equal. You almost got it when you see 10, 10, 7. So it cannot be 10, 10, 7. How to make it equal? All the three.
Is it 9?
9 plus 9 plus 9. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check. Let's see. 9
Yeah.
plus 9
Plus 9 is 8.
plus 9.
27.
Confirm? Okay, now tell me, what is 9 plus 9 first?
18.
18?
It's like
What is 18 plus 9?
27.
Sure or not? Okay, I'm going to do my working. See. Look. Ayush. 8 plus 9 is 16.
But 1 o'clock. Oh, no, you know. I will get it. Oh, maybe I know.
Is 8 plus 9 16? Everyone, do your addition now. Put 9, the bigger number in your head, and then have 8 to add on. Come on. 9, 10, 11, 12,
17.
17.
So,
It should have been 17, not 16, okay? So it's 27. Okay, 27 cm. So this means the length of each small piece is what? 9, 9, and 9. Okay? So the answer, the length of each smaller piece is 9 centimeters.
that.
Remember, you need to take 9 plus 9 plus 9. Wait, what's your second equation? We should have two equations. Look, my working has two equations. One equation, two equation. Write down. Okay, so now we're going to have centimeters, right?
It was. I'm Papa.
Okay. So we have solved this. We're going to go for a short snack break. Yes, go for your snack break now. And then later I'll tell you we're going to do our test. Go and take the snacks, go drink water. Wash your hands. Go faster. It's a short snack break. We're going to test later. Don't waste time. So we are waiting up the keepers. The snack first. Enough time. The service part, the
What's the answer? He's trying to learn. He's learning. Yeah. I don't think
Hannah and Alisa, 1 minute, and give just 1 minute. Sit down. No. 1 minute, okay? Yeah. Okay, because this is a test, we cannot sit together, so I said him sit here for the test. Give him a case. The paper don't bring the paper with you. This. Hannah.
Things like take one by one, one by one, one by one, but eat everything one by one, one by one. Eat everything. So, so you need to color pencil.
Hello, pencil. No need. I don't think we use color. No need.
Take all the. It's not time.
It's 9:50. Come.
10:30 we're going back home.
Yeah, so you're going back home soon already.
What 9 what? 9:50 or 15.
50. Sit down, sit down. Write your name, class. What is our class?
Class 3.
No. Wait, the test paper.
The dog.
The test paper is not here. No.
Then you need to let's show.
Okay, wait. Before I forget, okay? I think yes.
Look like
Similar, right? Hannah, do you remember I mentioned this last week? Do you remember or do you forget?
okay.
Forgot already. Okay, so this is a free webinar. Okay, what is a webinar? It's something that you can attend and then the people will talk and they will share you tips how to study, how to do well. Okay,
Yeah. Or
exactly. So this is a very good session and it's free. All right. So this is happening on 3rd of Feb, which is today. So later today, tonight
tonight.
at 7:45 until 9:15 p.m.
I
you can attend this. So how to attend this? There is this QR code. Later on, you take. Hold on. You will take the poster later, so your parents can scan this to register. Okay, I want the two of you to attend. So later tonight, I want to see Hannah and Arisa are online. They are attending this. So this is a good session. You have Coach Ryan. So there's Coach Ryan, Coach Tahira, Coach Tahira, Coach Irfan, and Coach Akif. Yeah. Okay, so later you take this. Now, our class code, can you write the class on the cover page? For class, you write Saturday.
Saturday.
Okay, ours is a Saturday class. And then,
Sunday.
yeah. So the day you write Saturday.
Day.
And then for the time,
But we're not supposed to write the time.
the time will be at the side. So this is the day, and this is the time.
This also start.
No,
What is start?
our time is we have 9 o'clock. So write down 9 a.m. Okay. You have 40 minutes to do this. I wish you all the best. Start now. Do this now. No more talking. Do this seriously, okay? And let me go get the kakak to put the test paper here. No talking. Have you checked the work? Let us do this. You're done? Because you're very fast, you know. You still have a lot of time.
Oh,
Then, like, one. Can you erase like that? No, there is 3-digit number. We start with a zero. With a three, we start with a zero. Yeah, it makes it small. But when we have zero in the hundreds place, it becomes a 2-digit number. This is 55. And 55 is not a 3-digit number. Then you're supposed to have a 3-digit even number. You still have no fun. So, okay, so stop. You're going to put 5 in the one space. Is that an even number? All even numbers, the end with, you remember about even and odd numbers? We forgot. Even numbers, I think maybe you were not with us when we did that lesson. Imagine now if I have one apple, can I share it among 2 persons? Cannot, right? Unless I cut the apple, isn't it? But we don't want to cut the apple. So one apple, I cannot divide by 2. I cannot divide by 2. I cannot share with 2 people. So the number 1 is an odd number. What if I have 2 apples now? Can I share among 2 persons? Can, right? Each one gets 1, isn't it? So the number 1 is odd. The number 2 is even. Why? Because if I share, it's even. 1 person gets 1, 1 person gets 1. What if I have 3? Is it even or odd? Can I share with 2 people? 3 apples. Is it going to be fair? I have 3 apples. I have 2 persons to share. So he gets 1. He gets 1. Can you see there's 1 apple that cannot be shared now? So this is not even. This is odd. So the number 3 is odd. So we know there's now number 1 cannot be shared among 2 persons. That's odd. Number 3 is also odd. What about if I have 4? Even or odd? It's going to be even, right? Each one gets 2, gets 2. So the number 4 is even. What about the number 5? Odd, very good. What about the number 6? Even. What about the number 7? Odd. What about the number 8? What about the number 9? Odd also, very good. You see the pattern? What about the number 10? Even also. Okay? Very good. You can see the multiples of 2. Right. The multiples of 2 are even. Okay? If it's not a multiples of 2, it's an odd. You understand now? Or the even and odd. So tell yourself, if it's an odd number, the digits in the one place should be a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. These are all the odd numbers. Okay. So if we go back to your question, that means the number in my ones place should be either be 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Remember the odd digits? Okay. So in order to make it the smallest, we can start with 2, right? Can you put 0? Can you put 5 in the tens place? And then put 0 in the ones. Look at the ones place. You have a 0. Is this even or odd? Zero. Just now the number 10 was even, remember? And you have 10, it's gonna be 5, 5, even. Okay? If it's 20, it is still even. Why? 10, 10. Right? So can you see? When the digit in the ones place is a 0, it makes it even. So we cannot put 0 in the ones place. Why? Because the questions wants you to write, wait, even, right? Even or odd? Even. So the digits in the ones place should be a 0. It cannot be a 5. If I put a 5, is that an even number? No. So 5 cannot be in the ones place. You understand? Okay. So I kind of give you the answer already. Arisa, do you know the answer for this question? 6B? You read it now? So what's the three-digit number? Remember, it's a three-digit number. So what's the answer? It's a three-digit number.
So,
It's a test. But, no. Who's second? I'm saying that the coconut tree plus the coconut tree is equal to 4. So if this is 4, that means one coconut tree. This one coconut. If this is 2, this 2 plus 2. This 12 plus factor 1 is 373. Can you see there's a flower and butterfly here also? What is that? Flower and butterfly. So these two is 373. Remember the total is 352. So how do you find the answer for one coconut? Okay, so yeah, see you also start with. You see the flower and butterfly is where you see the flower and butterfly also. What is this? Flower and butterfly equals to. The this is 373. Can you find the answer for the coconut? This is 373. The bottom of the tree is 372. This is 372. Tell me that's okay. So three not three minus two. I don't know why I always like this. Wait, 12 minus three, wait. You can't take two, right? Minus three, so you have to go to the tenth space. You take only one ten. Hey, class, can you change the number 373, change it to become 374? It's a typing error. So can you change? Yeah. Can you change it to become 374? No. So this is correct. Okay? So what you think is correct, but we have to change this to become 4. So Ready? You know what to do, you can do it. So I want you to check the rest. This question asks what is the three-digit number? When you answer it's a two-digit number, does it make sense? Begin that one. This answer for one component. Let me get one component C plus another. And we can yes, okay. That's what we can do for the next step. People want to do this or now I'm going to do like the three these way like this. So Anna, you should have three place value. Okay, you must have three place value. And you have the so if it's a three place value, you have the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. The digit in the ones place is the greatest odd digit. You went through the digit, the even and odd, which one is the greatest? What's the greatest odd digit number?
9.
9, right? So, right, 9. Now, the sum of all the digits is 16. If you add them up, they equal to 60. And remember the number is between 700 and 800. If you provide 4 in another space, it's a number between 700 and 800. So can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? 6? 7? Okay. If you put 7 here, what's 9 plus 7? The sum of all the digits. You add the 3 digits. 16. So 9 plus 7 is 16 already. So what is the digit in the ones in the tens place? So you have girls, you have boys, and then 65 girls enter the hall. So how many girls would there be there? And first they have 375, right? And then 65 enter. So how many girls now? What can be there and this? Oh, you told me we are out of time. We need to quickly finish. Last question. What's the digit in the tens place? It's a 1 digit in the tens place. What can you write? Can you write a 1? If you write 1, what will be the sum of it? 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 9 is 17. Can it be a 1 here? He says the sum is 16, but if you put 1, it becomes 1. So what do you put? Four plus 7 is 16. If you think so. Yeah. Now we have got, how many more girls than boys were there in town? So how many more girls than boys? How many would you have to get? 140, right? How many boys? So tell us how many more boys with the ball in the end? Yeah. Think, that you how many more boys than girls? Hannah, can you change the question for the last one? So it cannot be more girls than boys. So it should be how many more boys than girls? Okay. So you have 165. It is not 65. It's 165. You circle the 1, you can see the 1. So there is no mistake in the question. Well, can you erase? So Arisa, can you erase what you cancelled? There is no mistake in the question. Okay. Are you done? Okay, collect your papers if you're done checking because we already out of time. You sure?
Yeah. I said,
Write your final answers.
done.
Okay. Pick up your things. So next week, don't forget your things under the table. Actually, find it behind. No, it's not your wallet. Oh, someone put the wallet. Oh, yeah. Okay, once you're done, you may go now. I'll see you next week. Then we continue with the checkpoint test. Okay.
Hey.
All right. See you.
Yeah.
You're welcome. See you. Hey, wait. Don't forget the whole sheet. When I see you guys, okay. I think this is check your work, okay? Check your work. Put it again.
Check. Then.
You're happy? Okay. Right, come take any things. Don't forget to watch the lesson recording, okay? Make sure you watch. See you next week. Bye bye.